Hello, welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. KK Misra. This video tutorial is on research aptitude. Most expected MCQs have been included in it. Come to the question. 1. Longitudinal studies investigate A. Different subjects over time. B. Different subjects at the same time. C. Same subjects at different levels. Or D. Same subjects over time. Correct option is D. Same subjects over time. 2. Assessment used to monitor learning progress during instruction. A. Formative assessment. B. Summative assessment. C. Prognostic or D. CCE. Here correct option is A. Formative assessment. 3. What is meant by retroactive inhibition? A. Failure to recall newly learned things by the influence of early learning. B. Failure to assimilate new learning. C. Failure to recall earlier learning due to the interference of new learning. Or D. Failure to adjust with the new learning by the interference of environment. The correct option is C. Failure to recall earlier learning due to the interference of new learning. 4. Drive reduction theory of learning is formulated by A. Thorndike, B. Pavlov, C. Skinner, D. Hull. Correct option is D. Hull. 5. Reinforcement is a major principle in A. Humanism, B. Psychoanalysis, C. Constructivism, D. Behaviorism. Correct option is D. Behaviorism. 6. The personality of teachers influence the personality of students through a process of A. Observation, B. Imitation, C. Psycho-osmosis, D. Comparison. The correct option is C. Psycho-osmosis. 7. The best teacher is one who is capable of A. Giving a good result, B. Inspiring the students to learn, C. Completing the topic in time, or D. Helping the students in preparing notes. The correct option is B. Inspiring the students to learn. 8. Learning by doing principle is reflected in pragmatism. Correct option is C. 9. In inductive reasoning, one proceeds from particular to general. यहाँ पर याद करने की जरूरत है. The moment it is inductive, say it is particular to general. If it is deductive, then it is general to particular. So PGGP ऐसे करके हम याद कर सकते हैं. By the way, 10. Which of the following is a projective aid for teaching? A. Still model, B. Working model, C. Charts, or D. Slides. Correct option is D. Slides. 11. The most significant system of evaluation is A. Formative evaluation, B. Summative, C. Continuous and comprehensive, or D. Continuous. Correct option is C. Continuous and comprehensive. 12. Characteristics of descriptive research studies are A. They do not involve hypothesis formulation and testing. B. They use logical methods of inductive deductive reasoning to arrive at generalizations. C. They never employ methods of randomization in sampling because randomization takes place in homogeneous population. D. The variables and procedures are not described accurately and completely. So correct option is B. 13. Conditions are characteristic that the experimenter manipulates or controls in his or her attempt to ascertain their relationship to observed phenomena are called A. Independent variable, B. Dependent variables, C. Confounding, or D. None. The correct option is A. Independent variables. 14. Types of experimental validity are A. Content and construct validity, B. Statistical validity, C. Internal validity, or D. Internal validity, external validity, statistical and construct validity. Correct option is D. That is all. 15. Quantitative research focuses on, correct option is C, document analysis, in-depth interview and observations. 16. Probability-based sampling method is A. Stratified sampling, B. Purposive, C. Random, or D. Judgment. Correct option is A. Stratified sampling. 17. Understanding the meaning of the word is known as semantics. Correct option is C. 18. Which one of the following is not coming under the category of descriptive research? So here correct option is D. Action research. 19. Kohlberg's theory of moral development is based on the works of A. Brunner, B. Piaget, C. Vygotsky, D. Ausubel. Correct option is B. Piaget. 20. Naturalistic observation is widely accepted as an effective tool in the conduct of correct option is C. Exploratory research. 21. The mental age of a boy is 12 years and chronological age is 10 years. What is the IQ of this boy? इसके लिए एक फार्मूला होता है, हम उसको अप्लाई करते हैं. सो हियर करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी 120. 22. The process of determining the authenticity of a source while conducting historical research is known as A. Expert criticism, B. External criticism, C. Internal criticism, or D. Secondary criticism. The correct option is B. External criticism. 23. Free and compulsory education to all children of the age of 6 to 14 years in such a manner as the state may by law determine. Which article of our constitution states this? Article 45. Correct option is A. 24. From the following, which one is not important section of the research report? A. Introduction and review of related literature. B. Theoretical background and methodology. C. Analysis of data and conclusions. D. Footnotes and quotations. Footnotes and quotations. So correct option is D. 25. The most important pedagogical implication of Gagne's stress on learning hierarchy is correct option is C. Ensuring at each stage that all the prerequisites for learning a new material are available. 26. Which of the following is true about the relationship between validity and reliability? The correct option is A. If validity is high, reliability also will be high. 27. Teacher-pupil interaction inside the classroom should generate A. Argument, B. Data, C. Ideas, or D. Controversy. Correct option is C. Ideas. 28. In order to have an efficient learning, learners should have correct option is D. Desired level of ability and motivation. 29. Spare the rod and spoil the child. Give the message that A. Judiciously use the punishment in the class. B. Corporal punishment is not acceptable. C. Undesirable behavior must be punished. D. Children should be beaten with rods. Correct option C. Undesirable behavior must be punished. That is, spare the rod and spoil the child. 30. With respect to the development of skills, which what is the correct answer? So here, correct one is A. Children of the same mental age should learn at the same rate. So this is all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of